All right, time for dessert. And what I've got here is Brie and Berry's no-bake cheesecake. Yep, no baking required. No oven to heat up the kitchen. And just a, delicious dessert. Different berries on top. That Brie cheesecake underneath. Now, delicious, so easy to make. Let's go in the kitchen and make some right now. To make our Brie and Berry's no-bake cheesecake, the first thing we're going to do is prep the Brie. Now we want the Brie at room temperature, but we also have to remove the rind, and it's really hard to do that at room temperature, so bring it out chilled. We're going to remove the rind, and then we're going to let it come up to room temperature. So basically I'm just going to take a sharp knife and just sliver off that rind. Like that. Now don't throw this stuff away. This is really good. You just take this and, that is delicious. Keep that. You can eat it as it is. Melt it on a sandwich. All right, so mainly, you see I've got little pieces, little tiny bits of rind left, just little ridges there. That's okay. We just want to get the majority off here. All right, I'm going to take off the other side here. Probably not going to need all this, so I'm just going to take off from about here, because what we need is 4 ounces or 110 grams of this cheese. So I'm going to bring my little helper out here. Got my little scale. I'll turn that on. Put a bowl on here. Zero the scale. And let's see. Toss that in there. It's got a little ways to go. Toss that in there. Close enough. Doesn't have to be exactly a couple grams over. That's okay. All right. Gonna let that come up to room temperature, and then let's come back and we're gonna cream it up with a cream cheese. Right. Our Brie has come up to room temperature, which really wouldn't take long because this is Osaka in summer and it is 37 degrees Celsius outside today. So this is ready to go. All I'm going to do now with the Brie is cream it. So just going to squish it out. Look at that. That is definitely up to room temperature and it's easy to cream. All right. Okay, so to add to this Brie, what we have here is 6 ounces or 170 grams of cream cheese. We have 2 tablespoons of honey and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So first, let's get the cream cheese in there. All right, start creaming that up. This is going to start mixing together. We get the cream cheese and the Brie nicely blended. And then when it's about there, you see the colors are starting to come together. Let's add the honey. And the vanilla. Now we just keep creaming. We're going to cream those liquids into the cream cheese and Brie mix until it gets smooth. Right now you can see it's kind of liquidy, it's kind of separated, so you just keep creaming. All right, now it's looking pretty smooth. That's ready to go. Now, the berries. So, what we have here is 2 cups of mixed berries. Now, you can use fresh berries. You can get them. What I'm using here is actually, I use frozen berries. And what it does is, between the freezing and the thawing, it softens the berries up a little bit, which makes them very nice and perfect for kind of making more of a juicy mixture to go in with our cheesecake. So we have the 2 cups of berries. We have 2 tablespoons of honey and a half a teaspoon of cinnamon. So first we're going to do is we're going to mix that cinnamon into the honey. Just kind of blend that around until we got it all mixed together. And then just over the fruit. That's delicious. Okay, take a spoon and just mix that in with the fruit. All right, look at that. That is getting really juicy now. That's absolutely fantastic. It's like a no-cook compote. Okay, now we're ready to make our cheesecake. So let's put this just a little off to one side. We're gonna bring in some glasses. And you can make these in bowls or whatever, but I like to make them in glasses because you can see the layers and it just looks so nice when you go serve this up. So first thing I'm gonna do, we're gonna fill the glasses about halfway up with a, very good, with a cheesecake mixture. We'll plop some of that in there and just kind of push it down in. A little bit more. All right, so that's our cheesecake layer in. And now, in goes the berries. There we go. What we're gonna do now is gonna put these in the refrigerator, chill them. I'm gonna chill them for at least 2 hours, about 2 to 4 hours, just right. Bring them out for dessert. Delicious. Enjoy these. Brie and berry no-bake cheesecakes. Now, if you go to the link appearing on the screen, you can get the free printable recipe for Brie and berry's no-bake cheesecake on our website. So go print a recipe. Have fun making and eating these delicious little desserts and make cooking fun again with Kuma's Kitchen.